In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your watch list meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to head over to your Dexscreener, right? Once you're in Dexscreener, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this watch list, right? So the watch list side is basically the side that shows you the current meme coins that you're currently watching, right? So we are watching how good they are doing currently and seeing how it's moving. So if I click on this, I'm gonna see this right here, right? So if I still check on this other coin right now, I'm gonna see the stats, right? I'm gonna see everything you need to see. So this is basically how you can view your watch list tokens. There is a watch list meme coins on Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.